Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Pike Creek Valley local and long distance movers near me. If you're moving over state lines, you're dealing with long distance moves. Long distance moves are defined as those that go more than 50 miles. Longer travel distances equate to higher moving costs for a long distance relocation. Licensed and skilled long distance movers like ours are essential for a stress free long distance moving experience. Apart from the comparatively higher cost, it is more emotionally and physically draining. Tasks such as boxing and packing fragile items and lifting heavy ones into the van are particularly time consuming. But with 3 Movers handling these tasks, you'll be on your way to your new apartment or office space as soon as possible. Our movers regularly undergo training to improve their skills to serve clients better. They also have all the essential permits and renew them as often as needed. Our local moving service is equally as comprehensive as our long-distance moving services. We follow our clients' specific requirements when executing a local relocation. Also, we charge on an hourly basis. The exact amount you'll pay depends on the number of movers and the number of hours required to transport your items. We hire drivers who know the routes around Pike Creek Valley to take charge of local relocations so that they can quickly get you to your new home or office on schedule. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pike Creek Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.